Welcome back to the shop. It's your boy Romanovich, the surgeon. We're jumping on a new build. Today, we got a customer. They brought a pretty beautiful diesel little Mercedes here. We're going to be doing a good bit of detail on it. So we're going to be, our position was to wipe off all of these stickers that is from the previous business that it was on there from the other people. We are going to be cleaning and washing all of the exterior. They're going to handle the interior, and we need to swap out a tail light on the back where it's got damaged. Let's go show you guys this thing. This thing is so awesome. If you guys enjoy these little videos, really guys appreciate your guys' support. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is the van. We got a broken tail light right here. Not a big deal. We're gonna be swapping it out. Gonna cover up that so we don't see it. But yeah, we're getting rid of all this junk, make it nice and clean, make it a beautiful Sprinter. This thing is gorgeous. Honestly, I really like this. This thing is amazing. I really actually want to get it. So I'm gonna ask her what the price she got it for. And hopefully we can get one ourselves. So let's go ahead and jump on this. I don't know how long these stickers have been on there. Obviously been done professionally because it was for a business. So we're gonna do our best to take it all off and make this thing like brand new. Let's jump right onto it. I did a little bit of snooping. I just opened the back because I want to do the taillight first before we rip all the stickers off. And I gotta say, this thing is crazy. I did not think it was modded out this much, but check this out. Aside from having all this, check this out, guys. This thing is unreal. Wagging tails. This thing is made up literally probably enough power for all the water. Yeah, because this is like a cleaning area where they wash and bathe the puppies and dogs or whatever. This is amazing. This thing's doing so good. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. Look at that, guys. That is awesome. Very cool. Man, this thing is full of surprises. Let's go and attack this tail light. I think we're going to be doing it first. We already have another one, so let's see what we can do. It looks like it's a couple of torch bits. One there, and we'll see. Maybe, hopefully, you can pop it out real quick. All right, so whoever may want to know what this is, these are T25, sorry. T25. Zip that guy out, make sure we don't lose it. Zip the bottom out. Let's see. I don't think that's all that's holding it. It might have some clips on the other side. Let me look real quick. One connector right there. Should slide them up and take them out. Let's see. Just like that, we're disconnected. Oh yeah, this looks pretty wrapped up well. So hopefully there is zero damage. I'm expecting to find zero damage. Make sure we do not throw trash around. Here we go. Here's the new one. Make sure you guys are in the view, or I'm in the view. You guys can see. All right. Look at that. Brand new. Looks wonderful. Very clean. These are perfectly intact. Very nice. Looks like it's watertight. These two tabs are not broken. Everything looks good here. We will install it, and we will try to turn on the truck and make sure everything's working. Good deal. It only goes one way, so you can't mess that up. And do the top one. There we go. So we're just gonna push it in. It's closed. Look at that. There's no damage, so that's wonderful. And look at that body line. Very nice. Love it. Good deal. So now we gotta attack all these stickers, get it off, because we want to make it nice and clean, and then we will be doing a pressure wash. I want to do the exterior, of course, and like I said, I am also going to try actually to do the top, make sure it's nice and clean. I got a big ladder, so I should be able to see the top side. But you guys let me know what you guys think of this thing. This thing is awesome. I've thought of actually doing something like this, but nah. Check it out, guys. This thing is awesome. I would love it. And it's a diesel. Man, this thing runs so nice. I love it. I would do a delete on it probably as soon as I got it, but just because I did delete on that truck, and that thing rips. Very easy to do. Started peeling it to see how much the sun has baked this on, because it was put on professionally and everything. So it's actually coming off really good. I'm able to start it with a blade, and look at that. Sadly, it rips in pieces, but that's okay. I'm glad it's able to come off pretty easy. Look at that. Just like that. It'd be probably better if I heat it up a little bit and it'd come off all together, but I think if I pull it together like this slowly, it should all come off. Not a big deal. Yeah, we're gonna have to give this thing a good wash, because the thing is filthy. Filthy. What do you guys think? Would you attack such a project, or would you hand it off to somebody else? I understand her side. She's obviously working all the time, and she doesn't have that time to do it, which is perfectly normal, you know. And this is my first time actually doing this kind of job. I've done, you know, engine swaps. I've done transmission swaps, head gaskets on cars, a bunch of stuff like that. Even painted cars. So this is gonna be different. Hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. If you do, please leave me a sub. I would really appreciate that. You guys are the ones that are motivating me to make these videos. We've already passed 1,000, so I'm very happy and blessed because of you guys. You guys are awesome. Let's keep it up. Let's keep that algorithm going. I see some areas are going to be a little tougher. They're like a little bit more hardened or something. No big deal. We'll get it off. All right, let's attack this dog here. Start with its head, I guess. It's got a lot there going on. Let's see if we can start it off well. Keep it going. I think my fingers will hurt after a while. Pretty sure. Yeah, some areas like the corners are really baked on, so we're gonna have to do a little bit of work extra. That's okay. So like this does not want to come off. There we go. Yeah, it's gonna come small little pieces like this. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. I see that a lot of people are actually opening their small little businesses up, like, you know, quitting their 9-to-5s and doing side hustles. And this looks like it was a side hustle. Some pet grooming or something going on. Let me know down in the description what kind of business you have started or would love to start if you had the finances. And I believe some of these you really don't have to. Obviously, this is a Sprinter. This thing costs some money to start up and stuff like that, but I've seen people that buy like a little small Transit, either Ford or Ram, little Transit, one of those small vehicles, and they're not that expensive, especially like if you were buying it like I do. I usually buy them off auction where they're wrecked, and then you get a better deal like that. At least I think. People are scared of, you know, salvage titles. I'm really not. I don't really care about that. And you obviously get only cars that are not crazy damaged, that don't have any crazy frame damage. You know, just a couple body panels. I mean, a rim, some suspension, not a big deal. That stuff gets bad just driving on the road, you know. So, yeah. Let me know down in the description what kind of business you wish you would be able to open. If you're underage, you know, let me know what you would do. Or, you know, you're really not underage. Even the people, I started lawn mowing when I was 4 or 5, helping out like that. And I had a couple customers that I was actually doing their yard work and weeding and putting in plants and stuff like that. Obviously when I grew up a little bit more, but it's pretty cool. So let me know what you guys would do. whole van is all clear now. All stickers are gone. It looks awesome. Very happy. We are going to go ahead and pull out now the pressure washer, which I just did. This thing is disgusting, filthy. So here it is. Got this thing for a crazy good deal. We just fueled it up. We got some solution. We're going to attach it to here. First, we're going to spray with a solution. Go where there was a sponge, and then make this thing shiny. Let's make it happen. Here you have it, guys. She is complete, all washed, all removed. Even got the wheels clean. Look at that. Look beautiful. Oh yeah, very nice. I'm really happy, definitely, with the result. Hopefully they are too. They're going to be pulling up here in a few. Very nice. Everything's completely off. It definitely took some time because of the residue, but like I said, my wife was able to find a solution. And it worked really well with that and a razor blade. There was no way it was staying on, but yeah, looks beautiful. Very happy with this project. Hopefully we get another one just like it. And so my face is a little dirty, but I wanted to appreciate you guys and say thank you so much for all the love that you guys are giving us. Thank you for all the support. If you guys like this kind of videos, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Keep the algorithm going. Let's keep it up. Let's grow this channel and keep these videos coming. Really appreciate you guys. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.